worshiped Jesus and brought gold, frankincense, and myrrh. I'm not sure if you know the symbolism of those gifts. Some of you probably do, some of you don't. But gold addressed the fact that Jesus was the king, the royalty. Frankincense, divinity, healing power. We use frankincense as a healing oil sometimes. And myrrh was used in the burial procedures. So Jesus knew he was coming. He was Lord. He was King. He also knew he was coming to die, to save us from our sins. So let's sing about all those gifts that were given to Jesus. Mine.